Hey, this is Catherine. I wanted to make this quick video to give you guys a visual on how simple it is to navigate through the DIY credit program, how long the videos are. So once you enroll using my link, you will get a video that I personally sent to you to help you log in and to locate the My Credit system. So once you get to the My Credit system, this is what your back office is going to look like. You'll have access to every single video module that will show you step by step how to fix your credit. Okay, so we just passed by step two. Here, step three, check for errors. I think it's pretty much self-explanatory. Um, you're going to have full access to these videos as long as you are an active member. So if you don't get it the first time, I recommend you just go ahead and rewatch the videos until it just registers. But it's pretty much, it's all laid out for you. Here are the dispute letters that you're going to be using to send off to the credit bureaus. Everything is pre-written for you. And as you can see where it's in red ink, that's where you will edit it with your information and of course change the ink to black. Here we have some references. If you have identity theft, if you have to make a complaint to the credit bureaus, we have every single document that you need. So once you have removed all negative items, names, phone numbers, etc., from your credit reports, and you need to start building credit, we also have videos to show you how to build credit, how to understand credit utilization. So if you do have high credit utilization, these videos will show you how to lower them and how to maintain a healthy credit score and credit card utilization. Altogether, the video modules are 25 minutes long, and if you're ready to get started, go ahead and send me a direct message saying credit. I'll send you the link, and I will talk to you soon.